want to explore Kosice without spending a fortune. Follow my guide to find the best and cheapest hotels, the best time to visit, and insider tips for spending less in Kosice. Watch this video till the end and plan your next budget-friendly adventure with me. Is Kosice worth visiting? In my personal opinion, Kosice is absolutely worth the trip. During my visit to the city, I was struck by its charming architecture, rich history, and friendly locals. There are also plenty of things to see and do, from visiting landmarks such as St. Elizabeth's Cathedral and Hlavní Ulica, to exploring the nearby castles and caves. The city is also known for its delicious food and drink, with a variety of restaurants and cafes offering traditional Slovakian cuisine. What is the cheapest month to go to Kosice? According to my research, the cheapest time to visit Kosice is typical during the shoulder season, which falls in April, May, September, and October. You can expect lower prices on flights, accommodation, and activities during these months. That said, prices can vary based on several factors, such as demand and special events. Therefore, I recommend doing your research and comparing prices to find the best deal for your trip. Budget trip to Kosice cost. If you're planning a budget trip to Kosice, you can expect to pay around €300 for 3 days, depending on your travel style and the time of year you visit. This price includes the cost of flights, accommodation, food, and activities. Opt for budget-friendly activities, such as walking tours or visiting free landmarks to save money. You can also save money by cooking some of your meals or eating at local restaurants instead of more expensive tourist traps. Planning carefully and being mindful of your expenses allows you to enjoy a fantastic trip to Kosice without breaking the bank. The best cheap hotels in Kosice. During my trip to Kosice, I stayed at 3 budget-friendly hotels that I highly recommend. The first is Hotel Bristol, located in the city center, which offers comfortable rooms at affordable prices. The hotel has a cozy atmosphere, and the staff is friendly and helpful. Another great option is Herson Pension, which has a convenient location and offers good value for money. The rooms were clean and comfortable, and the hotel also had a small restaurant where you could enjoy a delicious breakfast in the morning. Finally, I recommend Hotel and Restaurant Resort Barca, which has a central location and offers basic but comfortable rooms at a reasonable price. The hotel has a welcoming atmosphere, and the staff was very friendly and helpful. These 3 hotels received positive reviews from previous guests and offered great value for money during my stay in Kosice. For a full listing of these recommendations, please see the description below. I hope these recommendations help you have a memorable and enjoyable stay in Kosice. Get ready for a new adventure every week, as I take you to one of the most beautiful cities in the world. My next destination is a must-see, and you don't want to miss it. Join me on this journey and discover the hidden gems and unique experiences. Don't miss out on my interesting videos. Hit the subscribe button now to be the first to join me on my next